Shalom, welcome to the Garden of Gethsemane. We're looking this beautiful, wonderful Golden Gate, or the Gate of Mercy, the beautiful gate, ang old city of Jerusalem. So guys, it's right there, beautiful. The only gate that was closed among the 7 open gates of the great city of